Jai Hind Tiranga Yatra is being organized by Karnataka, and we have invited all sections of the society, the students, the government employees, the organizations, institutions, whichever the organizations they belong. It is a national pride. We want to salute all our armed forces, and we want to be solidarity with this country. Country's integrity is very much important. So we have decided, and we are taking a very big march today. And I am very happy that within a short span of time, all sections of the people, including the retired armed forces, the students, and every section, and we have requested all political parties also. They have been participating in it. Let us join together. Let us show our strength together. I hope our country's pride and our national flag, which has been given all of by our freedom fighters, is we are trying to protect the honor of this country.
Sir, yesterday you have seen there was escalation by Pakistan. Firing has started, sir. So what is the...
What maybe India is stronger, we will face under the leadership of how Indira Gandhi managed the situation. The same thing will arise and India will win.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, the Congress party has organized this Tiranga Yatra in support of our actions taken by our military forces. We would like to send out a message saying that we are all with you. Whatever action you have taken, it's appreciated and prized. And we just want to symbolically say that, we are with you. And that is the reason why this rally has been organized. We want to send out the message.
So yesterday the tensions escalates in the border. Pakistan has gone on offensive, shooting missiles in India, sir. So...
No, none of the details we know. All these things. Sometimes the media also, they are showing some of the old pictures. I just got a reference from Government of India saying that these kind of things should not be done. I only appeal to media friends not to do the social media especially, not to do these kind of things.
राजा खाद क्या कहता राजा ये खाद क्या कहता राजा ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಏನು ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ರಾಜ ಕಾದಿಗೆ ಕದ ರಾಜ ಕಾದಿಗೆ ಕದ ರಾಜ ಗಾಡಿ ಕಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಏನು ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ರಾಜ ಕಾದಿಗೆ ಕದ ರಾಜ ಕಾದಿಗೆ ಕದ ರಾಜ
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ